So, I was downtown today, and the 900 wall building, they're totally remodeling it. Nobody's been able to get inside. Well, I noticed that the door was unlocked, so I went in. Check this out. Let's see if I can get a sneak peek at the inside of this place. Wow, doing the floors and everything. Oh, they stained those stairs. I remember the last time they remodeled this building, my company actually did all the flooring. Wow, they're really going for it. This is such a cool historic building, downtown Bend. This is the old 900 wall. Looks good.